What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're talking about the Meta glasses, the new ones from Oakley. I did a video last night, released it really early this morning, like 1 a.m. Pacific. And in that video, I talked about Oakley and Prada going to be releasing Meta glasses. Now, they did not announce any Prada glasses today, which I guess wasn't a huge surprise because they've been pumping the Oakley glasses for about a week at this point. And there's been rumors for months and months that that Meta was going to work with Oakley anyway. So that's not really a big surprise. So today was all about Oakley, and they didn't even do a press conference. All they did was social media posts and a post on their website. Other than that, not really that much. And in this video, we're going to talk about all the big differences about the Oakley Meta HSTN glasses. So let's get into it. So first of all, you know the collaboration is between Oakley and Meta, no big deal right there. Enhanced features, the glasses are significant improvements over the Ray-Ban Metas. Yes, I said that. Significant improvements in two major key areas. Longer battery life, they now get 8 hours of battery life. These get about 4. This is a massive jump in battery life for these glasses. 8 hours. This literally a whole day. You're gonna be able to wear these basically the whole day and be completely fine, well, work day anyway, and be fine. These are again like 4 hours and you're like, dude, I gotta charge them. They charge fast, but I gotta charge them. Higher quality video as well. Now these can do 1080p video with a 12 megapixel camera. The Oakleys can do 3K video, so 3 times the resolution. And they are 12 megapixel camera as well. So the camera will probably look very similar in terms of photos, but 3K resolution, awesome, like super high quality video. So I assume they're probably gonna have maybe some more storage built into them as well. So already right there, you're getting better battery life and better video cameras. Oakley glasses will have similar features to the Ray-Ban version, such as photo and video capture, music playback, calling capabilities, speech translation, QR code scanning integration with Meta AI, no surprises there. Target audiences that the glasses are designed for athletes and power users in mind. They are water resistant, the same IPX4 as these, so there's no difference in that. There was a rumor that though they were gonna be better with weather resistance. It doesn't look like that's happening. It looks like they're going to be exactly the same in that department. Availability are set to be later this summer. They didn't give an exact date, unfortunately, that I saw. The price starting will be $400 with a limited edition model available for $500. So you'll be able to get all of them for $400, or you can get like this goldish version for $500. They will be available in multiple countries and come in 4 different frame colors, and you can probably see what they look like. They don't look anything like what we've been hearing. You're gonna hear a really sporty version of these glasses that they were going to release, and there's ones look exactly like pretty much the Ray-Ban Metas, which I think is a disservice to the consumer in a way, and Ray-Ban really. I mean, why would you release such similar glasses but better camera, better battery life, and more or less be the same price as well? Are we gonna see the Ray-Ban Metas drop in price now? I don't think so. And you know, for $400, you can get these, and again, have better battery life, better camera. And there's probably gonna be other things as well that they're not really announcing because maybe they're only slightly better, or they didn't think it was big enough to talk about. I would expect to come up. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if the sound is a little bit different. I wouldn't be surprised if, even though the camera's 12 megapixels still, if the camera takes better photos. Who knows? There's gonna be stuff that pops up that's gonna be better than these. And for such a small amount difference, why wouldn't you get the Oakleys? Like if someone told me, hey, you can get these glasses that are $350, or very similar to the same glasses, but these ones are about $50 more, or $20 more, whatever, depending upon which ones you get, and you get better battery life and better video, which one are you gonna choose? You're gonna, most likely, unless you're really strapped for cash, you're gonna choose the slightly more expensive one because you want the better camera, because that's important to you, and you want the better battery life because you want to wear these all days. We're not having to put them back in the charger. So there's some things going on here. I know you can get Ray-Ban Metas for like $300, but the ones I got, I think were like $380. And these ones are gonna come in 52 millimeter sizes. and I believe it's 50 and 52 millimeter sizes. So there's some things with that as well. So there's just interesting things that I don't know, that they could have come at differently with this, but overall, I'm definitely getting them for sure. When these go on pre-order, I'm definitely gonna get them. I think what I saw that the pre-order was gonna start is July 11th for the exclusive ones, which I would assume would probably be the same date for the non-exclusive ones, or maybe they'll come out after that and the exclusive ones will come out first. But $500 for the limited edition goldish white ones. I don't know if I would get that color. Maybe, I don't know. I'd probably end up just getting black, honestly. But when they go on sale, you're gonna be able to buy the Oakley Meta glasses on meta.com and also oakley.com. Couple of things about the battery. Fully charge the Oakley Meta HSTN glasses up to 5 hours of continuous audio playback, or 8 hours of typical use, and up to 19 hours on standby, so a little bit more definition in the battery. They may vary with use and other factors. You can charge the AI glasses up to 80% in just 45 minutes. You can quickly charge the AI glasses to 50% in 22 minutes in the charging case. So that will charge pretty quick right there. Charging case, a fully charged case provides up to 40 hours of charging for your Oakley Meta AI glasses. Number of hours varies depending upon how you're using the features. So they charge at about the same speed, 80% in 45 minutes. So, you know, that's not a huge surprise there, but it's really nice to see. Also, just to add a little bit more in here, in terms of Oakley Meta and the versatile smart lenses made for athletes and everyday wear on and off trail compared to Ray-Ban Meta. So take photos with a 12 megapixel camera, capture high quality 3K video, longer battery life up to 8 hours of normal use, and available with Oakley lens technology like Prism and Prism Polarized for impact and UV protection. Let me know what you guys, do these interest you at all? Are you kind of disappointed in what they did here, especially with the prices being so similar with Ray-Ban Metas? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.